Hi Divas, and welcome to day 15 of the PCOS Diva tip collection. And I'm sitting here waiting to go into the grocery store after I record this quick video, and it's really appropriate because today's tip is about meal planning and making sure that you've got the food in your house to create the meals that are going to really help heal your PCOS. I could tell you that after 10 years of working with women in my online programs and through one-on-one coaching, failing to plan out your meals and shop for the food that you need is the number one thing that gets us off track from living a PCOS diva lifestyle. And it's such an important part of self-care. So I really encourage you to do 3 things on Sunday: to plan out your meals for the week, to plan out your movement and your exercise. When is that going to happen? Plug it into your calendar. And then parse out all of your supplements for the week ahead. Those 3 weekly kind of non-negotiables are just so important for you to be able to manage your PCOS. So I have my shopping list and my meal plan for the week. I'm going to head into the grocery store and get that done and go home and kind of prep as much as I can for the week ahead. I typically just look at the first 4 days. So I planned for something for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And then I do another little mini meal planning session Wednesday or Thursday morning to look at the weekend ahead. And then I usually go to the grocery store on Thursday to kind of get some new fresh produce and to shop for the weekend. Sometimes you don't really know what your weekend plans are, and they sort of shape up later in the week. So that's kind of my routine and ritual. I keep it very simple. I just write out a grocery list. I kind of put things on my Google Calendar because that's how I organize everybody's activities, and I put the meal plan up on Google Calendar. I know there's lots of fancy meal planning systems out there, but you have to do something that's sustainable for you, and this just works for me. If you have a hard time, if you're not quite sure what to eat for PCOS, I have developed meal plans. They're all seasonally based. So if you're in the US, you want to take a look at my fall meal plan. It's 6 weeks worth of menus for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and sweet treats with the recipes and shopping lists to go along with it. Really makes meal planning easy if you're just getting started. And the other thing that I just wanted to mention is today is the 15th of the month, and my special for my Discover Your Diva 7-Day Jumpstart program is expiring tonight. I will give you a free PCOS and essential oils class if you sign up for my Jumpstart program before the end of the day today, and that's a great way to get started. We talk a lot in that class about meal planning and really learning how to make meal planning and an important part of your week and your habit and routine. And of course, we talk about lots of other things too, but this is a very important piece. So I'm going to head off to the grocery store, and I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.